If you're spending hours editing video clips, you are probably crying into your cold coffee. You try to make viral videos and pay expensive freelancers on Fiverr, yet your channel still sits at 0 views. AI Music Director claims to fix all of this. It promises complete music videos from one text prompt in under 60 seconds. No singing, no filming, and no editing. Let us see if it actually works. Hey, Kamal here from testedapps.com. I have spent 6 years testing software tools that promise you the moon and stars. Most of them fail miserably, some of them are pure gold. Today, you get my honest review, real test results, and 0 sales fluff. I test tools so you do not waste money. Before we dive inside, check out the link in the description. If you grab AI Music Director through my link today, I'm throwing in exclusive Tested Apps bonuses. These custom bonuses help you rank your videos faster on YouTube. Details are waiting in the description box below. AI Music Director is a cloud-based software built for content creators, affiliate marketers, and local agencies. It solves the biggest problem on YouTube and TikTok today: video production volume. The main promise is turning one simple sentence into a complete professional music video. It handles original lyrics, vocal production, beat creation, video directing, and final editing. You do not need to sing, play instruments, or step in front of a camera. The software uses 3 dead simple steps to produce finished videos. Step 1 is onboarding. You log into the web dashboard from your computer or phone. You type one sentence describing your video idea. For example, a hype gym track about never skipping leg day. This is easier than ordering pizza online on your couch. Step 2 is the agentic AI processing chain. 7 specialized AI agents break down the workload automatically. The songwriter agent writes original lyrics. The vocal agent generates human-grade vocals with real emotion. The producer agent creates fresh background beats. The director agent generates AI scenes and camera moves. No music degree required. Step 3 is instant export and profit. The editor agent cuts clips directly to the beat waveform. It burns in animated kinetic lyric subtitles automatically. Then it exports your video for 5 major social platforms in under 60 seconds. Boom! Finished content ready to upload. Let's talk about what actually moves the needle for your bank account. Feature number 1 is the 7-agent production engine. Instead of paying a songwriter, vocalist, beat producer, and video editor, the AI does it all. This feature is a total painkiller. It eliminates waiting 3 weeks for freelancers to finish one video. Feature number 2 is original audio generation. Every beat, melody, and lyric set is generated fresh from scratch. Nothing is sampled from copyrighted songs. This saves you massive time and money by avoiding copyright strikes on YouTube and TikTok. Feature number 3 is automatic multi-platform exporting. With one click, you get horizontal master videos for YouTube. You also get vertical cuts formatted for TikTok, Instagram Reels, Shorts, and Facebook Reels. You even get Spotify Canvas loops. This gives you an emotional win because you get to publish a full week of social content in less than 10 minutes. Now, let's look at the price. During launch, the front-end offer is just $14.95. That's a one-time payment with 0 monthly subscription fees. Let's compare that to doing this the traditional way. Separate AI music tools, stock video libraries, voiceover software, and editing apps cost over $130 every month. That adds up to over $1,500 every single year. Or you could pay thousands to traditional video agencies for just one project. With AI Music Director, you pay once and own it forever. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Hello and welcome to AI Music Director. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how you can create amazing AI music videos automatically using AI. No video editing skills, no graphic design experience, no spending hours creating content. Everything is done for you in just a few clicks. Once you log in, this is your main dashboard. On the left side, you'll find all the powerful tools available inside AI Music Director: AI Video Creator Viral Song, Prompt to Song, Lyrics to Song, Viral Sound Effect, AI Voiceover, Lyrics Maker, SEO Agent, Find Viral Niches, Analyze Competitors, high RPM topics, SEO keywords, A/B testing, everything you need to create, optimize, and grow your AI music content is available in one simple dashboard. Let's begin with the AI Video Creator. This is where you create engaging AI music videos in just minutes. Simply, enter a prompt or keywords to generate lyrics. Choose your niche or topic. Select your video size. Choose your video style. Select your scene type. Then click Generate. Within moments, AI Music Director automatically creates a professional quality music video for you.
Latest war news, it's breaking fast.
Turn up the volume, feel the blast.
Eyes on the screen, don't miss the thing.
Truth's on fire, can't take a seat.
Staying out and it's behind.
Next, let's open the viral song menu. Creating songs is incredibly simple. Here you'll find different AI tools to generate songs, sound effects, and lyrics automatically. Let's open Prompt to Song. Here you'll see your song library. Simply, click Generate Song. Enter your prompt. Click Submit. Within just a few minutes, your AI-generated song is ready. Now let's open Lyrics to Song. Here you'll also see your song library. Simply, click Generate Lyrics. Song, choose your preferred music style, enter your lyrics, click Submit. Within minutes, AI transforms your lyrics into a complete song. Next, let's open Viral Sound Effect. Simply, click Generate Sound Effect. Enter your prompt. Choose the sound duration. Click Submit. Within minutes, your custom AI sound effects are ready. Now let's open AI VoiceOver. Simply, click Generate VoiceOver. Enter your script or prompt. Choose the voice duration, click Submit. Within minutes, your professional AI voiceover is generated.
I'm losing count of how many people told me this is how they made their first money online. Domain flipping. Except now, AI does all the hard work. It tells you what to buy, what it's worth, and where to sell it. A-flip domains just remove the risk.
Next, let's open Lyrics Maker. Creating lyrics is incredibly easy. Simply, enter your prompt, click Submit. Within seconds, AI generates professional quality song lyrics. Next, let's explore the SEO agent. Creating SEO content is simple. Inside, you'll find powerful tools to discover viral niches, analyze competitors, uncover high RPM topics, generate SEO keywords, and compare titles using A/B testing. Let's open Find Viral Niches. Simply, enter your keyword, click Submit. Within seconds, AI discovers trending and viral niches for your content. Now let's open Analyze Competitors. Simply, search using a keyword, click Submit. Within seconds, AI analyzes your competitors and shows valuable insights to help you outperform them. Next, let's open high RPM topics. Simply, enter your keyword, click Submit. Within seconds, AI finds high-value content topics with excellent monetization potential. Now let's open SEO keywords. Simply, enter your keyword, click Submit. Within seconds, AI generates optimized SEO keywords and content suggestions to help your videos rank higher. Finally, let's open A/B testing. Simply enter title A, enter title B, click Submit. Within seconds, AI compares both titles and provides detailed insights to help you choose the best performing option. Don't forget to explore the bonus section. You'll find exclusive resources and additional AI tools designed to help you grow even faster. If you ever need assistance, simply click Support. Our team is always ready to help whenever you need it. Instead of spending hours creating videos, songs, and music content every day, AI Music Director helps you. Create AI music videos, generate songs from prompts, turn lyrics into complete songs, create AI sound effects, generate professional song lyrics, discover viral niches, find high RPM topics, generate SEO keywords and content, compare titles with a /B testing, all from one easy-to-use dashboard. And that's your quick walkthrough of AI Music Director. Now it's your turn. Log in, explore all the powerful AI tools, and start creating incredible videos, songs, voiceovers, lyrics, sound effects, and viral content, all in just a few minutes. Welcome to the future of AI-powered music creation with AI Music Director.
Hey, wait. Before you scroll, give me 2 minutes because I'm about to show you something that shouldn't be possible. One sentence, one complete music video, under 60 seconds. The song, the lyrics, the vocals, the beat, all of it done for you. And no, you don't need to sing. You don't need to know how to edit. If you can type one sentence, you can do this. There's one type of content on YouTube that never dies, and people don't watch it once, they replay it. Music. Look at Lo-Fi Girl. One channel, one format, no face on camera, over 15 million subscribers, around 2.5 billion views, estimated at $20,000 to $45,000 every month. Or look at Glorb, a faceless creator making rap songs with AI-generated voices. Over 1 million subscribers, more than 380 million views, no record label, no studio, no crew, no budget, just music. Published consistently. Faceless channels now make up 38% of all new creator monetization ventures. Because music is the only format that wins in both lanes. Long videos build watch time, and watch time is what YouTube pays for. Short videos build reach. One 15-second hook can hit millions overnight. If the opportunity is that big, why isn't everyone doing it? One reason, volume. To grow a music channel, you have to publish constantly. Because one music video meant hiring a songwriter $200 to $500, a producer for the beat up to $2,000, video production $1,000 to $10,000, thousands of dollars for one video. So the opportunity just sat there, wide open, untouched, because nobody could produce fast enough to take it. That's exactly why we built this. Introducing AI Music Director, the world's first agentic AI music video studio. Not one tool, 7 specialist AI agents working together like a real studio team. And because every beat and every lyric is generated fresh, nothing is sampled, nothing is recycled, no copyright strikes. Watch this. I type a hype gym anthem about never skipping leg day. That's all I typed, one line. 60 seconds later, a finished music video, and it does the same across every profitable niche. Rap, gym and workout, EDM, rock, lo-fi, funny meme songs, business promos, motivational anthems. The thing that stopped you was never the idea. It was the production. And that bottleneck is gone. While everyone else is still booking a studio, you've already uploaded 30 videos. Post 1 a month, you're praying. Post 10 a day, it's only a matter of time. Once your channel monetizes, every one of those videos pays you ad revenue, streaming royalties on Spotify and Apple Music, brand sponsorships, licensing, merch, or skip all of that. and just sell music videos to local businesses, gyms, restaurants, coaches, e-com brands, and they'll pay $500 to $3,000 for one that you deliver in 60 seconds. The commercial license is included, you keep 100% of the profits, and yes, it's completely beginner-friendly. No music theory, no editing software, no learning curve. Now let's talk about the price. To do even part of this today, you'd be stacking subscriptions, an AI music tool, an AI video tool, an editor. That's $130 to $400 every single month. Today, one payment, no subscriptions, no renewals, no limits, and you're fully protected. 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't love it, we refund every penny. So the decision is simple. You can keep scrolling past faceless channels blowing up with content you could have made yourself, or you can spend 60 seconds and post your first one today. If you're ready to create music videos on demand, publish daily without a camera, a crew, or a studio, and sell them for hundreds or thousands with zero monthly fees, click the button below. Activate AI Music Director. Your first AI music video is 60 seconds away.
Let us break down the optional funnel upgrades so you know what to expect. OTO1 is AI Music Director Unlimited for $47. It removes all daily rendering limits and generation caps. Get OTO1 if you plan to run automated faceless channels at high volume. OTO2 is the done-for-you upgrade for $67. This gives you pre-made templates and ready-to-use campaign assets. This is my top pick if you want to launch immediately. OTO3 is the store builder for $47 to create a marketplace for your tracks. OTO4 is monetization for $47 to unlock high-converting campaign angles. OTO5 is enterprise for $97 with faster render speeds. OTO6 is agency for $47 to sell promo jingles to local clients. OTO7 is franchise for $97 to resell the entire funnel. And OTO8 is white label for $197 to rebrand the platform under your own domain. I put this software through my standard tested apps torture test. I wanted to see if it could handle heavy niche content without spitting out generic AI trash. I typed in a prompt for a hard rap track about building an online business. In roughly 55 seconds, the platform delivered a finished video. The lyrics had real rhyming hooks and verses. The beat had clean bass drops. The visuals were locked directly to the tempo transitions. The animated captions were word perfect on the screen. It was ready to post immediately without touching a timeline editor. Let's keep things completely honest here. This software is not for professional audio engineers who want multi-track stem editing inside a recording studio. It's also not a magic cash machine that deposits money into your bank account while you sleep on the couch. You still need to choose profitable niches like gym motivation, lo-fi study beats, or local business ads. You still need to press publish consistently on your channels. If you're looking for a get-rich-quick button without putting in basic effort, keep scrolling. Imagine waking up tomorrow with a fully stocked YouTube channel. Imagine posting 10 high-quality music videos every single day across TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. No hiring expensive video editors, no waiting weeks for completed files, no monthly software bills draining your credit card. That's the true leverage that AI Music Director brings to your business. Click the link below right now to grab your copy before the launch discount ends and the price jumps to a recurring monthly fee. Do you have any questions about this tool or the funnel upgrades? Leave your comments right down below and I'll answer them personally. Hit that like button if this review was helpful and subscribe to Tested Apps for more honest tech reviews. This is Kamal from testedapps.com. Thanks for watching and see ya!